Home Charger Installation FAQs. Installing a home charger for your electric vehicle is a straightforward process, but there may be some questions you have before getting started. First and foremost, it's important to ensure that your home's electrical system can handle the extra demand of a Level 2 charger. An electrician can help you determine this and make any necessary upgrades. You'll also need to select a location for your charger that's easily accessible and provides enough space for your vehicle to park and charge. The installation process typically takes a few hours and involves mounting the charging unit on the wall and wiring it to your electrical system. Once installed, you'll need to have your charging unit inspected and approved by a qualified electrician before use. Many electric utilities offer special rates for EV charging during off-peak hours, so it's worth exploring your options to save on electricity costs. Finally, it's important to consider any local building codes or regulations that may apply to home charger installations in your area. With proper planning and installation, a home charger can provide a convenient and cost-effective way to charge your electric vehicle.